Hey guys, today we're gonna reset the oil and brake fluid service on my X3 F25 2017. Switch on the ignition, don't start up the car. After the service due indication will disappear, press and hold the cluster button until a reset possible sign will appear. Release the button. Press and hold the button again until you see perform reset text. Release the button again. Now press and hold the button for the last time until the service indication will be reset. Now you can repeat the whole procedure for the next service indication.